What's up everybody, Chef Glenn being back in the kitchen, and today I'm working on lamb chops with tzatziki sauce. Let's get right into it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my lamb chops cut. As you can see, I've got a nice rack here to get my lamb chops cut, and then I'm gonna get the tzatziki sauce made. I'm gonna season them with some fresh cracked black pepper, some garlic powder, and some kosher salt. Okay, so I'm gonna set these aside. I'm not gonna put them in the refrigerator. I wanna continue to maintain this room temperature thing that we got going on here so that searing them and getting a nice exterior on the lamb chops won't be a problem. For my tzatziki, the first thing I need to do is I need to get this cucumber shredded. I'm gonna shred it and then I'm gonna squeeze all the water, or as much of the water as I can out of it. So I'm just gonna cut the end off of it. I'm gonna start with about half of this cucumber. Also wanna cut it open. I wanna get these seeds out of it. Just scrape the seeds out of it. Got a box shredder here, and I'm going to use the fine shred. So you need anywhere from 3/4 of a cup to about a cup of cucumber to start with. This is actually, I'm going to say, probably a little more than a cup. I'm gonna use it. I want to go heavy on the fresh flavor. I'm gonna get this, I've got a nice clean towel here, and I'm gonna get this cucumber in the towel and I'm gonna squeeze the water out of it. All right, so I squeeze the water out of it, and this is what I have here. I've got some Greek yogurt here, and I'm just gonna add my cucumber to the Greek yogurt. Got some fresh garlic, minced really finely, fresh dill, fresh mint. I'm gonna squeeze some lemon juice in there. I'm gonna add some extra virgin olive oil, fresh cracked black pepper, kosher salt. I'm gonna mix that together. So this is a tzatziki that's very heavy on herbs and cucumber. As you can see, I mean, it's really nice and chunky and green. Give it a taste. That heaviness is intentional. Wow. cucumber is just popping. And even though this needs to sit for a few minutes, the mint, that dill, everything is just, man, I can't wait to pair this with that wine. So I'm gonna set this aside, let this come together for about 30 minutes or so, and then I'm gonna grill my lamb chops. I'm pairing my lamb chops with a 2021 Thierry Germain. It's a Chenin Blanc from the Loire region in France. Color is not remarkable. It's kind of middle of the road golden. I hate to use that word golden, but it's middle of the road golden. Very fruity on the nose. A lot of citrus. I'm getting some orange, like orange peel, lemon peel. It's very citrusy in that way. And it's very floral as well. Let's give it a taste. Very zippy acidity, racy acidity, some herbal notes. And that citrus is citrusy on the palate as well. Lemon zest. Orange zest. It's really juicy as well. Lip smacking. As you can see, wow, really good. Let's see if it pairs. All right, I've got my hot grill pan. Now, obviously, if you cook these outside on the grill, they're gonna be much better out of necessity. I'm cooking these in a grill pan right now. And these lamb chops, I've got a little canola oil, and I'm just gonna get a little oil on them. Just a little bit. I'm gonna put that on there, and then I'm gonna spread it out with my hand. And right into the grill pan. So I'm gonna cook these 2 to 3 minutes per side. Now these, the way you cook your lamb chops is totally dependent upon how you want them. Medium rare, medium well. But for me, I'm gonna go closer to medium rare to medium. So I'm gonna go 2 to 3 minutes per side. All right, my lamb chops and tzatziki are done. Now let me tell you why I chose a wine such as this. I was looking for something with a nice bit of acidity. I was looking for something with some herbal notes to match up with this tzatziki that I have. I mean, the freshness of the cucumber and the high level of herbs in there. And I think that this Chenin Blanc may fit the bill. Let's try the lamb. As you can see, I told you I want mine medium to medium rare. I think we got that, we achieved that. This is tasty. As I mentioned, you don't need much more than salt and pepper. I add a little garlic powder for a little bit of a kick. But good meat, you don't need a whole lot. Try this tzatziki. true test is in the pairing. Wow, that is delicious. Just what I was hoping for. The high acidity, the herbs in the tzatziki is loving this. Wow, I don't always need a double check. This is one of those times where I don't need a double check, but I'm gonna do one anyway for all the selfish reasons. Because I want to. Let's get a fresh lamb chop. Tzatziki. Oh man, the depth of the herbs and the herbal notes in the wine. That's a perfect pairing. I'm Chef Glenn B, and as always, eat well.